right, thick Thursday in the books. Back thickness rear delts today. Started with a rope cable pullover into single dumbbell arm row, one arm row, then onto reverse grip pull downs. Second round of that superset involved drop sets within each set. Onto rear delts. That was cable upright row for the rear delt into, well, that was a drop set. Then it was into rear delt shrugs for a drop set and rear delt side laterals for a drop set, all combined. And then it was finally leg raises and leg extensions to finish.